Reinold Max.
Discover Reinold Max, easy to use and extremely efficient to quickly neutralize any incipient fire. Reinold Max is safe and doesn't cause damages. It's reusable for more than 5 years and easily wipes out sod residue. Fire hazards are all around us, both at home and during summer activities. Intervene quickly and easily with Reinold Max, inside and outside the house. It will help you to efficiently extinguish any incipient fire. Using Reinold Max is quick and simple. Usable on electrical equipment, cleans easily, no maintenance required, reusable until the can is empty, all following fire types: flammable solids, flammable liquids, electrical fires, cooking fires. Compare Reinold Max. The extinguishing capacity of the 500 ml is greater than a 5-pound ABC fire extinguisher costing $60, and the 750 ml is more efficient than 2 5-pound fire extinguishers costing $120. Traditional chemical fire extinguishers create a corrosive powder which impairs the visibility and causes important damages. Reinold Max can be safely used in the house. Its foam doesn't cause damages and will help you to easily remove soot residue. Its usage is very easy. Simply spray the foam over the flames from left to right, just like you would with an aerosol paint container. And the product's efficiency is very impressive. Reinold Max is inexpensive and economical, safe and eco-friendly. Protect yourself and your family with Reinold Max. Reinold Max puts out the fire clean and simple. Get Reinold Max today.